if you are wondering why in the bathroom they have, those sign here that says "Don't enter with merchandise." So I came to do a repair here in this business, and the manager told me that the thief, what they do, they step on that and they hide the packaging over there, so that way they can, disarm the alarm system, and they take the product and they walk away. So that is the reason why they don't want you to go to the store with those type of things. So now I just learned one thing. So what I told the manager, maybe we can install some motion detector in the ceiling tile, so that way when someone is pushing them up, it will detect the motion, and they will have an alarm, and then maybe they can call the police and they can get the thief. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. See you next time. So what I told the customer is to put some alarm system on the tiles, so that might help with the issue. If they hear, if the alarm goes off, they can go lock the door and call the police and send the dogs or something like that, or the sharks, to bite this thief, and hopefully that will solve the issue. So if you're outside the United States, you want me to send you an alarm or tools or anything like that, all my information in the video description, and see you next time.